fish because it's have fats.
They've got a deep well, look guys. They get the water from the well. What do you use the water for, Ralph?
Just for washing, washing clothes, washing for dishes, or sometimes washing for the fish.
Now Ralph's mum's expert at doing this apparently.
Yes.
He was going to do it, but his mum's decided she's going to do it. Let's get round here so I can see a bit better.
It's have because this fish grease is a lot of fats, but it's not bad fats.
I was going to say that fish fat isn't bad, is it?
Yes.
I mean,
But we need to remove that so that we cannot eat the fats. That fish is very good. Very
I thought
delicious.
Filipinos ate everything. They didn't let anything go to waste.
No.
Just like if you kill a pig, you pretty much
Yes,
eat everything.
yes.
don't you?
Sometimes all the organs of fish, the Filipino includes that also.
Ano yung tanin
Ayun. Kasi asa lang. Then Chris, we inside the stomach of fish, we put garlic, tomatoes, and we put lemongrass.
Oh, lemongrass.
Lemongrass. It's very delicious.
I was watching a thing about lemongrass. It's good if you boil it and drink the juice.
Yes, because it's
Tubig up.
yes. Deep
There
well.
you go. That's one done.
Yeah, it's deep well. Sometimes Melissa sometimes Chris is get inside there. Have swimming sometimes. Yes.
Really?
Yes. Look, ask him.
Do you go in there swimming?
He just joking, Kuya Chris.
Oh.
Klaro mo yan. Pag nahulog ka din, lamos kang
Talong
sigurado.
ano yan eh, talong culvert. Tapos lampas tawo pa, may ibaba.
It never been dried, Chris. It's always have a water.
So, tell my audience what happened when the pandemic hit here. Did things change at all?
No, they more happy because they have free food.
Free foods.
Relief.
Even this place is the income of people here is in farming, in rice. The government support a rice also here.
Mm.
Yes, and a lot of sometimes canned goods. But this place is not very difficult to live because there's a lot of certain foods here that free. You can ask for vegetables to your neighbors.
Yeah. You couldn't do that where we live, guys.
Yes.
But you can do it here.
Because
Yeah,
they have
yeah.
there.
But here, all people here is kind. They sharing what they have to others.
Can you imagine that? Get it out. Can you imagine that happening in the West, guys? Neighbours sharing and helping. Just doesn't happen.
Because that's what they grow up na
That's
here.
why I love the Philippines. The closeness of the families and the friends, the neighbours.
Yes. You cannot here money is important but not all the things because you can have the food here is for free.
Yeah.
Mm.
I hope we have a good neighbor than where we live.
Yeah.
Yes.
When we move, yeah. Yeah. Ralph's dad actually gives food away. If somebody needed it, he'd give it. He wouldn't try and sell it, would he?
Yes, yes. When my mother have vegetable here, some people here is just going here and ask for it. But my mother give it for free.
Where we are, they'd steal it, wouldn't they?
Yes, but in other place you do not need to ask, they just steal.
You try get water from that.
Try and get water.
Deep well.
Hindi po yung
It's deep well.
Did you see this?
balloon. Sa Tagalog.
Yeah.
Paano sana yun dyan? Mag-try daw si Chris na po.
I want to see.
What if you fall
Pataubon mo,
there?
I want to see a
Chris, you
swim.
need to like this when you
Why?
fall it down. I
You're not
teach you.
listening.
You're
What?
not listening. You need to.
Sorry, mommy.
It's like this,
Sorry,
Chris.
mommy.
You need to like this when you drop because when you drop like this, you cannot get the water.
Yeah.
You can get like this so that when you get like that.
Why don't you just put a brick in it? I bet
Yes.
still, if you put a few holes in, it'll sink.
No. Yes, like this. You can put for.
No, if you put some holes in the bottom, it will sink.
How you can get it when
I'm
you have?
joking. My God.
Oh, you do it.
Oh, you can do it, Chris.
Oh, here.
Wait.
Just, oh my God, it's quite far down.
Yeah.
How do you swim in there?
Yeah, you're like that, Chris. Oh, it's wrong.
It's wrong.
Wrong. Try again.
Try again, Kuya Chris. It's wrong. Yeah. Patay.
Yeah.
To free water yan ano?
Iyo.
Yeah.
Oh, wrong again.
Jesus.
It's very difficult, Chris.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Why is it wrong again?
It's just only half.
Dun, dun, dun.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Melissa adapt the ano accent. That
Look.
it is what it is.
Then,
So,
Chris, we gonna wash it.
are you're throwing that then, I take
Yes,
it?
yes.
No,
Because
you eat.
We can eat if
Oh,
you want.
when did you start getting funny?
And we put the, what you call that, Chris?
Mama yung kiss-kiss.
Mayo yan, Chris.
You put lemongrass inside
Yes,
and
and-
what else?
Tomato,
Tomato,
ginger,
ginger.
and we can put it into the,
Real. So you're gonna grill it?
yes. But we can use the, what you call that, the aluminum foil. But I think the aluminum foil is not enough. We can, the other
Well,
one,
it was
we
if you were gonna just do one fish, but you're doing three, aren't you?
Yes. We
Are
can
you
do
doing
it.
all three?
Tara, agad mo pang aluminium.
Mas magaling.
Wala ganun.
Mas maganda.
Hindi, pwede mo na mayong aluminium. What do you want,
Na,
Chris?
so we can look, we can see. You don't need to put aluminium. So we
You
can
put aluminium or just,
see. Oh, alak ka, palak-palak.
It's okay.
It's okay, Chris.
I've just picked the bucket over.
Kaya mo dyan yung pang ano.
Sorry.
Ano na lang yan. It's just for the ano, Kuya Chris. It's for the dogs.
For pig.
Pig. For pig pala, pig.
Oh,
Palak-palak, Chris.
Palak.
sorry about that.
Chris, you want, ano, we can drill it without cover so that you can see
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Better.
better. We drill there.
Do you know what? If Mel ever kicks me out, guys, I'm gonna marry Ralph.
Yes, because Chris, you can marry me.
Yeah, because he's
I
very
can show you
helpful.
the
I've never
world.
known
You
anybody
need
so
to,
helpful.
ano, annulment me first.
Yeah.
Annulment
Before you
me.
marry him.
Why?
Because we gonna sue Chris. We go to prison, both of us. Oh, it's alright. As long as we love each other, we can
That's
go
all
there.
that matters, Ralph. As long as there's love.
Even we go to the prison. Because they'll just
No,
sue us.
because there's too much love in prison. They've got everything here, guys. They've got banana trees. They've got coconut trees.
We will go to our, ano, I have a fish pan there.
Yeah, we're going to have a look at that. That's going to be another video. This is a long video.
We can do, ano,
Oh,
Chris?
look! Here! They don't need to
Oh.
buy a charcoal. They just use that.
Yes. We use this one for cooking. It's free also. You can get. And
This one
also
as
this
well.
one. I can do it by myself
Yeah.
to put in the roof.
You see,
Our roof
guys,
is, that is, ano, like aircon.
You don't
because
need
it's
to
not
buy
hot.
here.
what's the not to love about the Philippines?
It's called nipa. Our national leaves here in
Yeah.
Philippines.
Especially the province.
I do it myself, Chris.
Yes.
This one.
Paano gabago din? Biga ano?
Huh?
Madali
Dahil,
maraot.
it's
Yun.
very strong.
Mm.
And it's not hot when you put that nuts
Yeah.
in.
It's hot out here, though, isn't it?
You can sit there.
Pwede na dito
What's
kawan
that called again, Mel?
Indian
Ayun.
mango.
That's yeah.
Ay, this is the one, you know,
Chris,
our,
look, Chris,
in front
this one
of us.
is free also. Banana.
Yeah, bananas. I've seen the trees. Yeah,
Yan up.
they're cooking bananas, guys. They're not
You want
eating
Chris,
banana.
if you would go home, you like that banana?
Do you want banana?
Because we have a lot of banana.
Okay. What?
Si pa rin, di ba sa app? Si may atubangan niya. Pareho.
Is that what keeps falling on
Yeah,
that
It's
roof?
ano Chris,
Yeah,
it's
same.
vegetables also. You can eat that. It's very delicious.
Is it?
Papaya. Papaya, ano?
Yes, it's papaya.
It's mango, guys.
Ayun, luto doon niya.
Papaya.
Alin?
Mango.
Nilalagyan niyan luto niya.
When you ano include that in the pigs.
Sir Chris.
Yeah, sure.
Before you go home, you can bring it.
Thank you so much.
Because
You
that
want
banana
papaya?
come
Just
from here.
Kuya Chris.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
One
You see-
papaya, just
You
make
see
it.
that papaya.
Papaya.
Because
One
it's
powder,
very
small
hot.
papaya.
The plants is difficult to grow up.
Mm.
To grow up. You see that cassava,
Here,
that
come here.
kamote tops, kamote.
He's talking to me, babe. I can't just walk away from him when he's talking to me. It's rude.
They
What?
can you here in the province. I know you can use the banana leaves as well. You don't need to use a plate.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. They do that a lot.
That one.
You always see them cutting the banana
Better
leaves
to eat there
down.
than to plate.
When they have, what's it called? When they put it,
Noodle fight.
yeah, boodle fight. I thought there was going to be some punching, but it's not. It's just eating.
Also that trees,
Ayan, look do the banana.
the heart
oh.
of banana, you can also include that
What,
for
this
cooking.
one?
That one.
Yeah.
for
What would you
cooking.
use that for?
Vegetable.
then?
Vegetables also
Yeah.
for foods.
Yeah.
You can that. You can include fish or you can coconut milk also. It's
Yeah.
very delicious.
There's a banana. Harumbuli.
Yeah. There's bananas and coconuts everywhere, guys.
Ano yan? Tignan naman ni Papa mo kung nag...
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to live